what is it, 10 to 6. Load a truck, early load out. So hopefully there's another one. Well, that was a nervous couple of moments. He got out. It was soft. He's away. He's away. Okay. So finally desiccating these beans. That was a bit bloody crispier than I'd like. So I'll have to go a bit slower, I think. 12 will do the job tonight. Anyway, let's concentrate on the job at hand. Well, and what's turning out to be a strange year, this is even stranger. So we're about to head out at 9:30 at night. Anyway, adventure. Well, just got to brush this dust off the windows. It gets pretty hard to see. That's better. Nice! And we'll just check behind the guards, blow a bit of other crap off this, and yeah, get into it. Hook into it on this fine evening. Better. Looks like we're just about ready to go in this weird, well now, coronavirus harvest, or COVID harvest, as they say. Fun times, what an adventure. And don't we all like an adventure? I know I do. Well, it's happening. It's happening. It's actually quite dry tonight. So, what are we? 20 to 11. And we're going. Almost the end of the planet, Bali, and well, apart from an acre and a half at home, it'll be the end of the Bali too, so fairly short and sharp. Left a little strip up here, so better get that too, because that would look terrible. You're like, where is your workmanship? Where is your So this will be it for tonight, and I think we'll leave this out in the paddock and take it home in the morning and do the little paddock at home we're going to do there, and then a few jobs on the header, just blowing it down and maintenance, greasing and that sort of thing, fuel. Then we can try the wheat when the weather's right, but I think tomorrow's going to get pretty rough again. Anyway, we'll see. Night night.